Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a fantastic way on how you can make money online. You guys can see right now I'm on moneyrewards.co, and on this website you guys can see these are very simple instructions. You sign up, you share, and you get paid. Here are some stats of how many people have gotten paid, and it's very simple to get started, and I'm going to show you guys how much I've earned. There's also testimonies on this website of people who've recently been paid out. You can see this person just recently was paid out $428, another person $263, and it's a very neat website, guys, and you can make a lot of money, and it's very simple. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my dashboard right here, and you guys can see my earnings are $2,956, and I still have $240 to cash out. And I'm going to show you guys what the dashboard looks like. So here you can see there's some paid offers right here. So it says complete the offers below to receive rewards, and make sure you're on the same IP while completing the offers, which just means make sure you're on the same internet you used to create the account. And it's very simple. So guys, just make sure you do those paid offers, and you guys can make money so easily. You can see right here, you can also, it's really creative, you can also create a YouTube video talking about money rewards, how it works, and use a referral code, because you can make a lot of money with referrals as well. And you guys can see here how much money I've made through referrals and how much money I get per referral. So just take advantage of this opportunity. I've searched through so many sites that say that you can make this much money and make all of these claims, but moneyrewards.co is the only website that I've actually had success with, and it's actually super simple. And you guys can see here you can just share your referral code as well and make a lot of money just off of referrals. And if you don't want to refer people, or you don't want to use social media to refer people, you can also make money on your own by completing your own offers. Like I said, there's so many different ways you can make money with this website. Just do what you think you're best at, and I happen to do both. I make quite a bit of money with referrals, and also you guys can see here there's an iPhone version as well. So you guys can see I'm on moneyrewards.co on my iPhone, so you can do all of these offers, the referrals, the YouTube submissions. You can do all of this on your phone as well. You don't, or you're not required a computer. So you guys can see here how much money you can make from doing these apps. You have $23, $22, $22, so much money. Super simple, guys. I've made over $2,000, and it's been very easy, and you guys can as well. So just take advantage of this opportunity, and it's moneyrewards.co. Thank you guys for watching, and go make some money.